Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to give access to your Google Business profile to somebody. And the first way to do that is by jumping into the Google browser and make sure that you're signed in with the Gmail that your listing is associated to, or you speculate the listing might be associated to. So once you're signed into your Gmail account, then go ahead and Google your business name. And if that business profile is tied to that email that you're speculating, then something like this should pop up. You should be able to see edit profile, read reviews, photos, and all these other buttons in here, along with how many customer interactions that listing has had. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to come over here. There's going to be a 3 dots, and then you're going to click that. Then you're going to click Business Profile Settings. Then you're going to click People and Access, and it's going to show you your account here along with your email. And then there's a little button here that says Add. And then when you click that, you can actually type somebody's email that you're trying to give access to, and make sure that you select a proper permissions. If you want them to manage it and not have owner access, you select manager. If you want them to be the owner of the account, then you select owner. You can have multiple different owners, and then click invite, and that's gonna do it. Second way to do this is, again, requires you to sign into your Gmail account. Go Google Business Profile Manager, and then the first thing that's going to pop up is going to be business.google.com, and then click that. That will take you on a back end if you manage multiple different locations, or even one should be able to pop up here. And then all you do is find your listing that you're looking for, click see your profile, and that will actually take you here where you can see all these buttons visible and clickable, and you follow the same process. Click the 3 dots, Business Profile Settings, People and Access, then click Add, enter the email, select what permission you want to give them, and click Invite.